Hi, I'm Lion with ScreenerKing. We're excited to launch our online tool for pricing and purchasing self-deblinding sandwich screens. This video will provide an overview of the features and benefits of sandwich screens, as well as a quick tour on how to buy them on our website. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to call us, email us, or try our new chat feature. Sandwich screens are designed to contain deblinding sliders and/or balls within the same frame of the sizing mesh. These all-in-one screens are available in all machine sizes with multiple build configurations suited to your process. For 30-inch and smaller screens, we don't recommend using a center support, so a center hole is not needed. For 48-inch and 60-inch screens, we recommend either a center hole with a spacer or a solid spacer. This helps maintain the proper spacing between the mesh layers so the slider motion is not restricted. Self-cleaning sandwich screens offer a combination of value and efficiency of operation. The deblinding effect not only improves the throughput efficiency of the screens, but can also extend the life of the screen, machine parts, and components by limiting the amount of weight in the system. Compared to clean ring assemblies and ball trays, the sandwich screen provides the best of both types of deblinding techniques and faster change-out time, with reduced risk of lost or broken components during change-out and cleaning. After selecting the appropriate size screen for your machine, you can price this out and purchase it with just a few clicks. First, select the grade of wire that you want. Then the appropriate size mesh. For information about this mesh, you can always see the mesh chart on the main screens page. The type of bonding, keep in mind that epoxy bonded screens can be rescreened, welded screens cannot. The fill, the sliders with the deblinding balls is the most common option, and in this case 30 inches are not available with a center hole. Just a quantity needed and add to cart.